Welcome again to Le Mans Classics 2023. I'm standing here with Roy Dowding, who's a recipient of a special award that we've given for 6 vehicles here this weekend. His car is a Reliant Scimitar, and it's one of very few surviving. Its condition is immaculate, and we're so pleased that you brought it here. So thank you and congratulations on winning this trophy.
Well, thank you very much. I'm almost lost for words. It was my son's insistence to bring this particular car here today, and it made it here. We pray it makes it home again. But it is only one of 4 of that type of car with that engine still on the road. So we've got to look after it. And he's itching for me to have to hand my license in so he can take it over. So I'm enjoying it while I still can.
Congratulations, honestly. All the best.
Congratulations, Roy.
Where's your son? You should come here.
We're about to introduce the next generation of the family. Who's the next owner of this marvellous Reliant Scimitar?